Assalamualaikum and a very good morning. My name is Muhammad Reka Ansari bin Saiful. So today I'm going to do article review for MD24, Markers of Professional Integrity, Record Management Job Advertisement in Australia. For introduction, the job of archivist and record management are officially on the decrease in Australia. The decrease suggests that future growth will be small, declining or stopping. This pressure is correlated by the Australian labour market, which predict a 4.7% rise in this occupation over the next 5 years. However, record professionals are commonly referred to as information professionals in Australia and across the world. Objective, how and why. To look at how and why the Australia records and archive profession are declining by looking at job advertisement. On seed.com.au Australia Primary Job Search website, the participants were setting to collect job posts for records and archive possibilities. Methodology for this article is documenting job advertisement. On March 11, 2019, 2 search queries were initiated, and the results were collected over the next 3 months until June. In the subheading Record Management and Document Control categorization, the search for record was used. In the primary search field, the first archivist was added to any classification. Under the More Choice page, all word types were selected. Only Australian occupations were documented and work locations were left open. Selection criteria were developed after first text search yielded a large number of irrelevant jobs. Discussion. There are two findings. There are two findings in the article. The first one is skills, knowledge, and attributes. Another finding is qualification and experience. According to the statistics presented in the article, there is a high demand for general ability with focus on technology, communication, and task management. In all businesses, general abilities are essential. However, they may differ significantly from one organization to the next. They are frequently mentioned in the context of employability. The research demonstrates that information-related university degrees are preferred when qualifications are required. Undergraduate degrees in information tend to be significantly more desired. Surprisingly, paraprofessional credentials were hardly addressed at all. However, as noted in the preceding section, there was considerable cooperation about what credentials in information management mean, as indicated in the article. The closer examination of the data reveals that 61 positions in total require an information-related degree. Discussion. There are two discussions in this article. The first one is specialist versus generalist. The data analysis shows that there is a greater emphasis on more generic abilities, knowledge, and traits. The expert criteria were not always clearly articulated, even when they were mentioned. Despite this, roughly 22% of job postings requested skill, knowledge, and qualities in record management procedures, with 50% requiring academic method as mentioned in the article. Qualification versus experience. Experience is obviously the most valued trait. According to data, this conviction is identical to that of the Iron Mentor Survey, which polled 900 European and North American businesses in 2015. According to the Iron Man survey, there was a gap between what business leaders and record professionals considered to be critical skills and competencies. Conclusion. Operation and focus according to this understanding. Conclusion. Reflecting on the selection criteria created from the statement of knowledge and other standards to discover appropriate job posting, it is obvious that the words are specialized, and operational, with an emphasis on support roles and activities. The statement of knowledge is operational in focus according to this understanding. That's all from me. Thank you.